Alright guys, in this episode, we tear up stuff. Alright guys, in this episode it's the breakdown. So now you know what's happening. Hopefully you understand what's happening. Now it's time to take down what we got. So let's get everything out. Get the motor out, get it dropped, and get it taken apart. Oh yeah. Alright guys, here's the update. Get the crank off really easy. It was too easy, so I don't know how tight it really was. It did have a Gates timing belt, but it was old. Took off the rear crank vent, drained the oil, took off the filter, took off the pulleys, took off the timing tensioner, gonna take off the water pump. Took off the front AC adapter bracket. So now I'm going to tip it. Hopefully drain the rest of the junk into this. Take off the oil pan. Take off the oil pump and water pump. And then I can get in to see what's underneath. Make sure the crank is good. And none of the bearings were spun. Which I don't think they were, but I just want to make sure before I keep getting into it. So let's get her done. There's definitely crap in the screen. I guess it's doing its job. We don't want that in the motor, so that'll definitely be cleaned out. New gasket and stuff like that when we rebuild it. Alright guys, there it is in all its glory. The bearings looked okay. Number one looked like it was starting to have some issues. Glad I'm changing them. All the rugged pieces. The old block. So we'll hone it out, get it ready. I'll Dremel out the oil pump, make it a little larger. New timing belt, tensioner, water pump will be coming. Hopefully I can clean up the block, get all the crap off of it, paint it. Same with the transmission. I need a new clutch. I want to do a new flywheel. All that good stuff. That stuff is disgusting. Clean it up, respray it, get it looking nice. So yeah, I got the pan off. I need that off so I can work on the oil return for the turbo. While I got the block off, I'm working on getting either the sandwich plate or a T for the pressure switch, and getting the oil feed line for the turbo set up, so it'll be ready to go once we get it over there. So that is everything. Like I said, we got all the pieces out in all their respective places. Alright guys, there you have it. Motor is going on, and it's awesome. So 455 horsepower. We'll see if we can make it with H-beam rods and turbo pistons and ACL race bearings and a big old fat turbo. But the best part of it all would be an all-wheel drive build off. But we'll see how that goes. We'll see if they want to do it or not. I want to convert the old EF sedan to all-wheel drive and put a B series transmission, hence why I'm going B series for now, so I can convert the thing to all-wheel drive. So that's a little bit of the surprise of what's going on. Hopefully we can get something set up and get something rolling. Alright guys, there you have it. Parts in boxes, parts on the ground, block empty, ready to be cleaned. Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this episode of Wide Open Throttle. We'll see ya next time.